Today we are going to learn 8th chapter, metric measures. In your lower classes, use length, weight and capacity. Then to measure length, we generally use centimeter, meter and kilometer as units. Then to measure weight, we use gram and kilogram as units. And to measure capacity, we use liter and milliliter as units. Children, first topic, conversion of units of measurement. Units of length. They are kilometer, it is represented as km. Then hectometer, hm, small letter hm. Then decameter, that is dam. In short, we are writing dam. Decameter, then meter. It is the basic unit of length. Then decimeter, that is dm. Then centimeter, cm and millimeter, mm. This is bigger unit to smaller unit we are writing. Then units of weight are kilogram, that is kg, then hectogram, hg, then decagram, dag, then gram, that is the basic unit of weight, then decigram, that is dg, then centigram, cg, then milligram, mg. Then finally, the units of capacity are kiloliter, that is KL, then hectoliter, HL, then decaliter, DAL, then liter, L, deciliter, DL, centiliter, CL, and finally milliliter, ML. So this is arranged from bigger units to smaller units. So you have to learn this by heart. Then only you can do the following questions.
Metric measurement. The basic unit of measure of length is meter or m. The higher units are obtained by adding the prefixes deca, meaning 10, hecto, meaning 100, and kilo, meaning 1000. The lower units are obtained by adding the prefixes deci, meaning tenth, centi, meaning 100, and milli, meaning 1000. From the table, we can have the following relationship among various units of length. The basic unit of mass is gram. The higher units are obtained by adding the prefixes deca, hecto, and kilo. The lower units are obtained by adding the prefixes deci, centi, and milli. From the table, we can have the following relationship among various units of mass. The basic unit of capacity is liter. The higher units are obtained by adding the prefixes deca, hecto, and kilo. The lower units are obtained by adding the prefixes deci, centi, and milli. From the table, we can have the following relationship among various units of capacity. 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 hectoliter. 1 hectoliter is equal to 10 decaliter. 1 decaliter is equal to 10 liter. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. 1 deciliter is equal to 10 centiliter.
Now children, when we move from smaller units to bigger units, we divide by 10 for each unit towards its left. Yeah, this is smaller units to bigger units. So when we divide when we move from smaller units to bigger units, we divide by 10 for each unit towards its left. That means to convert millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. Then centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10. Then decimeter to meter, gram or liter, divide by 10. Then this to decameter, then divide by 10. Then deca to hecto, divide by 10. And finally hecto to kilo, we have to divide by 10. That means when we move from smaller units to bigger units, we have to divide by 10 for each unit towards its left. Okay. Then when we move from bigger unit to smaller units, we multiply by 10 for each unit towards its right. When we move from bigger unit to smaller units, we multiply by 10 for each unit towards its right. This is bigger to smaller. It is arranged in the order bigger to smaller, that is kilo. To convert kilo to hecto, we have to multiply by 10. Then hecto to deca, multiply by 10. Then deca to the basic unit, that is multiply by 10. Then basic unit to deci, we have to multiply by 10. Then deci to centi, multiply by 10. And finally centi to milli, multiply by 10. That means when we move from bigger unit to smaller units, we multiply by 10 for each unit towards its right. Clear?
Let us now learn the units of measurement of length. The smallest unit of measurement is 1 millimeter. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. 10 meters is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameters is equal to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers is equal to 1 kilometer. This system of measurement is called the metric system. So, can you now tell me all the units of length from the smallest to the largest? Yes, they are millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Starry, observe carefully. If we divide a smaller unit by 10 at every step, it is converted to a larger unit. So, millimeter divided by 10 will give centimeter. Centimeter divided by 10 will give decimeter. Decimeter divided by 10 will give meter. Meter divided by 10 will give decameter. Next, decameter divided by 10 will give hectometer. And hectometer divided by 10 gives kilometer. Starry, can you tell me how to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit? It's simple. We have to multiply a larger unit by 10 at every step to get the next smaller unit. So, kilometer multiplied by 10 gives hectometer. Hectometer multiplied by 10 will give decameter. Decameter multiplied by 10 gives meter. Meter multiplied by 10 will give decimeter. Decimeter multiplied by 10 gives centimeter. And in the end, centimeter multiplied by 10 gives millimeter.